When I hear it coming up like that, I just know that things are gonna end bad. La da 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 da, I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it. Then walk with it. La da 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 da, just keep dropping, just la da 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 da.
INTERGEO 2025, 3 days that delivered data, debate and digital vision on full blast. Geodata is now AI ready, streaming in real time from edge sensors to the cloud. Digital twins connect BIM and Earth observation for cities and smarter assets. The signal, the geo industry isn't just making maps anymore. It's delivering the digital operating system for a smarter, for a safer and for a more sustainable planet. So let's recap the moments that mattered, the voices that resonated and the ideas that stick.
I love it. It's a lot of amazing companies, great people.
It's one of the best places to make partnership agreements too, so it's not just customer facing.
There is so much tech. I'm so excited.
It's definitely special, it's definitely very social, very relationship building, and it's always expectation that we will have some fun.
So for me the experience was just like mind-blowing.
We're here to get in touch with everything new.
You can see how the sector has evolved, new technologies have been adopted.
There's so much new technology, it's really exciting environment, a lot of people, a lot of new connections that's forming. It's really a fantastic opportunity for sure.
So that's a wrap from Frankfurt. Thank you very much for watching and for being part of this. You just didn't tune in, you made INTERGEO unique, because this is the geospatial community, this is you, and if you liked it, if you liked the event, the show, hit a like, hit a subscribe, or share it with your team and your friends and your colleagues, and of course, please save the date. We see us in Munich 2026 from the 15th to the 17th of September, 1 week before the famous Bavarian Oktoberfest. The Geo community meets again, bigger, bolder, and ready to rethink data. So see you in Munich. Thank you so much. Bye.
Sale 2026, Munich, mi vine metun.
Nos vemos el próximo año en INTERGEO en Munich.
Karitangade mwa utaonga 2026 INTERGEO Munich.
Zien jullie volgend jaar in Munich bij INTERGEO.
Да се видим следващата година на INTERGEO 2026 в Мюнхен.
Sur les battes de conference INTERGEO mi vinden.
On se voit à INTERGEO 2026.
Nou, dan zie ik jullie volgend jaar op de INTERGEO in München.
Servus miteinander, wir sind nächstes Jahr auf INTERGEO in München. Wir sind dabei, ihr hoffentlich auch. Wir freuen uns auf euch. Woo!